guys on character math. What do I say? On character math. Listen, character math is a program that will help to improve your calculating abilities. What do I say? Character math is a program that will help to improve your calculating abilities. Okay, if I say character math, you say Ayishi-Ette lesser moon. Character math. Ayishi-Ette lesser moon. Now listen, I would love to let you guys know deeply on what we call character math by writing it down so that you can understand what I mean. Now, character math. Now let's character math is talking about every number, how the number behave. Am I communicating? Yes. One behave his own behavior, two can behave his own. So the character of one, character of two, character of three, character of all the characters of numbers. But definitely today I'm going to start from the characters of 2 and what? 8. 2 and 8, they are opposite in nature. 2 and 8 are like brothers. Am I communicating? Yes. But let me show you that what is this? 4, 6, 8. And sometimes 5. Am I communicating? Yes. Now, 2, 4, 6, 8 what? 2, 4, 6, 8 are the what? Vast number. Now listen. 2 take how many steps before cycling? Now when I mean cycle, that the time that 2 will repeat again. You see that when you come to 0, I see the 0. Yeah. After the 0, start again, 2 will start again. Yeah. I get to, this 0 stands for what? 10. Yeah. So this one will stand for what? 20. This one stands for what?
See, the student we are talking about, that was the one you just saw, is just one class. And we are talking about over 100 and something students. And that is where about 4 classes like that. And there's about 500 to 600 students in the school. And I'm taking all of them.
I need someone in that angle to answer. What are the patterns of 8? All right, answer please. You, that girl at the ending. Yes, so yeah. No, that's Let me get this. It's okay. Let me get this person. Yes? 8 what? 8 is 4 to 0. Please clap for it.
I really want the whole Africa to learn character math. That is my deal, and I am very, very serious about that. No matter what happened, I just see character math as the best thing that ever happened to the student.
Okay, guys, come inside.
Yes, sir.
Come inside, please. Inside, come inside. Don't come with your book, only your writing materials, please. Come inside, everybody. Inside. Move. You only have 30 minutes for this exam. 30 to 1 hour. That's what you have. Move. Sit down, please. No noise. Hey, come inside now. Wait, I'll face you outside. The first man, sit down. Oh yeah. Answer the questions on the board. Yes, just give me the answers. That's what I want. Okay, number 1. Write all the patterns of each number from 1 to 9. Number 2, if you repeat the cycle of 4 times, what will be the number you will get? Then number 3, you can alter. I'm not taking longer time. I just want to take a few time from you guys. I want to see if you can meditate or remember what I've been giving you, especially from 1. Continue what you're doing. You know, remember we have key numbers and we have val numbers. Val numbers are different from key numbers. So if you do that, also remember the key numbers too. Yes, continue. That's 3. Thank you.
I make sure that all the students that was in school make sure they understand all the patterns in whatever I am doing. So schools are closed and everybody is preparing for Xmas, New Year, and all this kind of period. This is a very high period in Nigeria.